What do you want to do when you're older? Hi, Emily. How are you doing today?
Hi, Tom. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well too. Thanks. So, Emily, have you ever thought about what you want to do when you're older?
Yes, I have. I've always been passionate about helping others, so I want to become a nurse. What about you, Tom?
That's great, Emily. Nursing is such a noble profession. As for me, I've always loved working with computers. So I want to become a software engineer.
Wow, that sounds fascinating, Tom. You must be really good with technology. What inspired you to choose that career path?
Well, Emily, I've always been curious about how computers work and how they can solve problems. I enjoy coding and creating software programs. I want to contribute to the development of innovative technologies in the future.
That's amazing, Tom. I'm sure you'll excel in that field. As a nurse, I want to make a difference in people's lives. I want to provide care and support to those who need it the most.
I truly admire your dedication, Emily. Nursing requires a lot of compassion and strength. It's wonderful that you want to help people in need.
Thank you, Tom. I believe that by becoming a nurse, I can bring comfort and healing to others. It's a rewarding career choice for me.
Absolutely, Emily. Nursing is a profession where you can touch people's lives and make a positive impact. I'm sure you'll be a great nurse.
Thank you for your kind words, Tom. So, apart from our career aspirations, what other things do you want to do when you're older?
Well, Emily, besides my career, I want to travel and explore different countries. I've always been fascinated by different cultures, and I want to experience them firsthand.
That sounds like an exciting plan, Tom. Traveling can broaden your horizons and give you a deeper understanding of the world. Where would you like to go first?
I would love to visit Japan. The country has a rich history, beautiful landscapes, and an amazing blend of traditional and modern aspects. What about you? Emily, any travel destinations in mind?
I've always dreamed of going to Italy. The art, architecture, and delicious food there have always fascinated me. I want to immerse myself in the Italian culture and explore all the wonderful cities.
Italy sounds like a fantastic choice, Emily. I'm sure you'll have a great time exploring the country and enjoying the local cuisine.
Thank you, Tom. I'm really looking forward to it. We should definitely share our travel experiences when we're older.
Absolutely, Emily. It would be great to exchange stories and learn from each other's adventures. We have so much to look forward to in the future.
Definitely, Tom. I'm grateful that we can share our dreams and aspirations. It's wonderful to have supportive friends like you.
The feeling is mutual, Emily. Let's work hard towards our goals and make our dreams a reality.
Absolutely, Tom. I believe that with determination and perseverance, we can achieve anything we set our minds to.
Well said, Emily. I have no doubt that we'll succeed in our chosen paths. Let's support each other every step of the way.
Agreed, Tom. Together, we can make a difference in the world. I'm glad to have you as a friend.
Likewise, Emily. We'll always be there for each other. Here's to our bright future.
Cheers to that, Tom.
What type of house do you live in? Hi, Emily. How are you doing today?
Hi, John. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm great too. Thanks. By the way, I've been meaning to ask you, what type of house do you live in?
Oh, I live in a small apartment in the city. It's cozy and convenient.
That sounds nice. I live in a house in the suburbs. It's a bit bigger with a small garden.
That sounds lovely. Is your house a detached house or a townhouse?
It's a detached house, meaning it's not connected to any other houses. How about your apartment? Is it in a high-rise building?
Yes, it is. I live on the ninth floor of a tall building. It offers a great view of the city.
Wow, that must be amazing. I've always wondered what it's like to live in an apartment with a view.
It definitely has its advantages. Living in the city means I have easy access to shops, restaurants, and public transportation.
That's true. In the suburbs, it's a bit quieter and less crowded, but it takes longer to get to places sometimes.
I can imagine. Do you have any special features in your house, like a backyard or a garage?
Yes, I'm fortunate to have both. We have a small backyard where I can relax and enjoy some gardening, and the garage is useful for parking my car.
That sounds so convenient. In my apartment building, we have a shared parking lot, but no private backyard.
Each type of home has its pros and cons. Apartments can offer amenities like a gym or a swimming pool, which is a plus.
That's true. I do enjoy using the gym in my building. It saves me the trouble of having to go to a separate gym outside.
Absolutely. It's all about what suits your lifestyle and preferences. Is your apartment fully furnished, or did you have to buy your own furniture?
When I moved in, it was partially furnished, so I had to buy some furniture myself. But it was nice to have a head start.
I can imagine. When I bought my house, it was empty, so I had the freedom to decorate it according to my taste.
That's the advantage of owning a house. You can personalize it and make it truly your own.
Definitely. It's been a great experience so far. Well, it was nice talking to you about our homes, Emily.
Likewise, John. It's always interesting to learn about different living situations. Take care.
You too, Emily. Have a wonderful day. Who is your favorite person in the world and why? Hey, Sarah, how's it going?
Hi, Michael. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. So, I've been curious. Who is your favorite person in the world and why?
That's a tough question, but if I had to choose, it would be my mom. She's always been there for me, supporting and guiding me through life.
That's wonderful, Sarah. Moms are truly special. They play a crucial role in our lives. Can you tell me more about why your mom is your favorite person?
Of course, my mom is caring and loving. She constantly puts others before herself and is always willing to lend a helping hand. She's my role model.
That's amazing. It's truly inspiring to have someone like that in your life. I can see why your mom holds a special place in your heart. As for me, my favorite person is my dad.
Oh, that's great. Michael, dads are important too. What makes your dad your favorite person?
My dad has always been my hero. He has worked hard to provide for our family and has taught me valuable life lessons. He's incredibly wise and has a great sense of humor.
That's fantastic. It's so important to have positive male role models in our lives. I can tell your dad has had a profound impact on you. What are some of the lessons he taught you?
Well, my dad taught me the value of perseverance and never giving up. He also taught me the importance of honesty and treating others with respect. He's been a guiding light for me.
Those are such valuable lessons, Michael. Your dad sounds like an incredible person. It's wonderful to have someone who instills those values in you. I'm sure he's proud of you.
Thank you, Sarah. That means a lot. So, besides our parents, do you have any other favorite people in the world?
Absolutely. I have a close friend named Lisa. We've been friends since childhood, and she has always been there for me through thick and thin. She's like a sister to me.
Friends like that are priceless. Sarah, having someone who has been by your side for so long is truly special. What are some qualities you admire in Lisa?
Lisa is incredibly loyal and understanding. She listens without judgment and offers advice when I need it. She's always there to celebrate my successes and support me during tough times.
That's remarkable, Sarah. True friends are like a second family. I'm glad you have someone like Lisa in your life. It sounds like she's an incredible friend.
Absolutely, Michael. I'm grateful for her every day. Well, it was lovely talking about our favorite people. They bring so much joy and positivity into our lives, don't they?
They certainly do, Sarah. Our favorite people shape who we are and make life more meaningful. Thanks for sharing your thoughts. Have a wonderful day.
You too, Michael. Take care.